Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RAM light bar is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any truck owner looking to enhance their vehicle's visibility and overall aesthetic. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast tackling challenging trails or simply seeking improved nighttime driving safety, this light bar offers a powerful and reliable lighting solution. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and considerations of the RAM light bar, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Light bar and tow hook for Dodge Ram 2500, 3500, 4500. Introducing a powerful upgrade for your Dodge Ram. This kit combines a 32-inch curved light bar with a heavy-duty tow hook, enhancing both visibility and functionality. Designed specifically for 4th-gen Ram trucks from 2010 to 2019, this kit ensures a seamless fit. It's engineered for easy installation, with no drilling or cutting required. The light bar features high-intensity LED chips and a durable aluminum alloy construction. It provides exceptional illumination with a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, and is waterproof, dust-proof, and corrosion-resistant. The included tow hook is made of heavy-duty steel and can handle over 30,000 pounds of pull. The bracket allows you to install the light bar into your factory bumper. Installation is straightforward, with no modifications needed. This kit not only improves your truck's lighting but also adds a reliable tow hook for added utility. The package includes everything you need: the light bar, tow hook mount plates, light bar brackets, and a wiring kit. Get ready to upgrade your Ram today. What we like. This light bar comes with a built-in tow hook, offering both lighting and utility. It's designed for easy, no-drill installation, saving you time and effort. If you frequently go off-roading or need a reliable tow hook, this is the perfect choice for your Ram truck. What people say. The light bar is very bright and lights up the road very well. The light bar is well built and seems to be of good quality. The light bar was easy to install. Number 4. Rough Country 6 LED Grille Kit for Ram 1500. Introducing the Rough Country LED Grille Kit. This kit is designed for your Ram 1500, providing a sleek and powerful lighting upgrade. It's the perfect way to enhance the look and functionality of your truck. The kit offers an easy, at-home, bolt-on installation. You don't need to be a professional to install it. It's designed for a straightforward setup, saving you time and effort. This kit features powerful LED light bars, delivering 2,800 lumens with a 36-watt output. The 90 degrees flood beam ensures excellent visibility. It will significantly improve your nighttime driving experience. Built with a durable die-cast aluminum housing and an IP67 waterproof rating, this kit is made to last. It can withstand various weather conditions. You can rely on it for years to come. The kit includes a wiring harness with a two-way switch. Everything you need for a complete installation is included. This makes the upgrade process simple and convenient. Rough Country backs this product with a limited lifetime replacement warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that it's protected against defects. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This kit offers a sleek grille mounting solution for your Ram 1500. It provides a powerful 2,800 lumens output, ensuring excellent visibility. If you are looking for a clean, integrated look with easy installation, this is the ideal option. What people say. Had them professionally installed and they look amazing. These are very bright and our C lightings are very reliable. I love how good they look in the grille and the way they are built. Number 3. M&R Automotive 40 LED Light Bar Kit for Ram TRX. Introducing the newest 40-inch light bar from M&R Automotive. This kit is designed specifically for your Ram TRX, offering a powerful lighting upgrade. Upon purchase, you can select either a white or amber light bar. This allows you to customize the look and functionality of your vehicle. The white light bar delivers an impressive 15,000 lumens, providing exceptional brightness for enhanced visibility. It's perfect for illuminating the road ahead. For those preferring amber, this option provides 7,000 lumens, offering a different visual effect while still significantly improving your vehicle's lighting. The light bar features a spot beam pattern, focusing the light for maximum distance and clarity. This ensures that it can cut through the darkness. Rest easy with a 5-year, no questions asked warranty. This product is built to last, and the warranty backs up its quality. What we like. This light bar features a massive 40-inch design for maximum illumination. With a high lumen output, it ensures superior brightness. If you need the brightest light possible and want peace of mind with a long warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Buenas noches, mi agrado que es patente locada a mi RAM 1500 TRX 2022 Sagan y lado donde debe de ir colocada hay 2 sensors frontales. Espero que la barra tenga los hoyos para los sensors. Gracias JD. Little hard to install, but totally worth it. Number 2. Rough Country 20 LED Bumper Kit for RAM 1500. This LED bumper kit from Rough Country provides an easy way to upgrade your RAM 1500. It allows you to install a powerful 20-inch LED light bar directly into your existing bumper. Built to withstand the elements, this light bar is IP67 waterproof rated. The durable die-cast aluminum housing ensures it can handle tough conditions, providing reliable performance. The light bar boasts a powerful 6,600 lumens and a 120 watt output. Its 8 degrees spot and 90 degrees flood combo beam pattern provides excellent visibility for any situation. Installation is straightforward and can be done at home with a bolt-on design. The kit includes a wiring harness with a 2-way switch for easy operation. This product is backed by Rough Country's warranty. The brackets are covered for a lifetime, and the light bar itself has a 3-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. What we like. This light bar mounts directly to your bumper for a clean, integrated look. It features a combo beam pattern, providing both spot and flood lighting. If you like a versatile lighting solution with a robust build, consider this. What people say. The light is very bright and the grille on the outside does not affect the lighting at all. The rest of the install is straightforward. Number 1. U-Box RAM 2500 Full-Width Front Bumper. This is the U-Box front bumper, designed for your RAM 2500 pickup truck. It's a full-width bumper, offering great protection and a rugged look. Made from heavy-duty steel, this bumper is built to last. The main body uses 11-gauge steel, and the mounting structure uses 8-gauge steel, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. The bumper comes with integrated LED lighting for enhanced visibility. It includes 2 18W spotlights and a 120W LED light bar, providing ample illumination for safe driving. It features a strong skid plate to protect the undercarriage. The design also includes pre-cutouts that work with your factory tow hooks, making it a practical choice. Installation is simple with a bolt-on design, requiring no drilling. The package includes a mounting hardware kit and a detailed installation guide, making it easy to upgrade your truck. The bumper has a textured black powder coat finish and a premium e-coating process. This provides 5-year corrosion protection under normal use, ensuring it looks great for years to come. What we like. This product includes a full-width front bumper with an integrated LED light bar. It also features a skid plate for added protection. If you are looking for maximum protection and a complete front-end upgrade, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Assembly and installation went well and still need to do adjustments but nothing major. Fit well. Heavy, about the same weight as the factory bumper. Fit was perfect, I have no complaints. Easy install, very straight and looks to have been very well built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.